Okay, guys. Hello. Going into World of Warships. Hope we win. Okay. Hope we win, like on how we always do. And as usual, look, you guys already know this. My battleship is the USS Nicholas. I just want to keep on reminding you, just in case if you are new to the channel. Okay. So let's begin the attack. We're going all ahead full, boys. Okay.
Action stations.
Okay. 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 We're going in all head full. The water is so realistic.
Anti-aircraft gun crews are on full alert.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
On the horizon? Okay, sorry if I haven't been talking for a little bit, okay? I forgot I was recording, okay? Well, I forgot I've been recording. Okay, I'm sorry for not talking for a little bit, okay? So, anti-aircraft fire!
Anti-aircraft gun crews are on normal alert.
Go! Oh, I'm gonna get that boy. Let's for that guy, boys. Okay. We're aiming my torpedoes goes there because we're planning it. And the torpedoes to hit there. Let's go there, boys. Boy, hit him. To the horizon.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Torpedoes direct front.
Oh, both. The ship that has a flame right there that I'm turning to. This ship that I'm passing right now is the Axis, and and that ship next to it was an ally. Oh, wait. No, torpedoes! Oh, you're not getting me today, boy. You know, I do like me. You don't catch me doing that. I do like me. I'm definitely taking down today. Boom! Warship!
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Boom! That's what you get for trying to attack me, boy! Oh, you want to play with me too? Okay, fine. Game on. But you should be worried. You should be very worried. I just sunk a ship. And I could sink you because of how well I am at this game. So that battleship better be scared right now. Boom! Yeah, oh, I'm turning the wrong way. I'm trying to follow the torpedoes to see if I hit him. Torpedoes, direct kill!
Our team has taken the lead.
Boom! And this is how you can tell
Enemy
that.
cruiser destroyed.
This is how you can tell that if you destroy a ship, there'll be a big, massive explosion, and there'll be a big, massive explosion, and second, I get their health bar when it says, oh yeah, it's going down. That last ship right there, that's what we need to hit, okay? I can't get to it. I can't get to it. I'm gonna need to turn. Hopefully no one sinks it for me. Okay? Okay, guys, wait, there's still an enemy ship left. Where is he? Where is that enemy ship? I'm pretty sure those planes. I'm pretty sure those planes actually came from an aircraft carrier. There it is. That's an aircraft carrier right there. There we go. That's an aircraft carrier right there. That's an aircraft carrier right there. That red one. It says that triangle right there and those three squares and stuff. And Furious means that that's an aircraft carrier. Jackpot, baby. Should I get my torpedo? Oh yeah. Yes. Yes. Launching the torpedoes. Going all head full so I can keep up with those torpedoes. They might not hit. They may not hit before it sinks. Boom! Oh, baby, triple! The aircraft carrier was sunk! Yes! Victory! Victory! Yes! Yes, baby! Like and subscribe! And I hope the channel continues to grow. If you haven't seen my last video, how to skin a watermelon, you should actually go check that out.
Are you playing a game?
I'm recording!
Alright, when you were done.
Well, I'm started. Okay, that's my stepdad. He's calling for
When you're
me.
done, your dinner is ready, okay?
Okay, I'm ending the video. Okay, guys, that's my stepdad. That's my stepdad calling for me right there. Calling for me for dinner. So, goodbye. Like and subscribe.